Hi, I am Deborah Manke from Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. I'm a primary care nurse practitioner and also holistic. So I came to this joint injection class really wanting the studies, the evidence-based medicine around PRP injections and exosomes and other incoming evidence-based medicine that could enhance joint injections. And that's exactly what I got. I learned great technique, safe technique on elbows, on shoulders, on knees, on feet and ankles, and practiced it during, had the opportunity to have joints injected if I so wanted. But it was all evidence-based. We learned all the study material prior to doing hands-on training. It was a great way to network and to learn what other people are doing in their practices and what makes sense for you. And just, it was an amazing growing experience from working with Dr. Runels to Dr. Piccirillo and all the staff. A fantastic weekend, well worth it. Thank you.